Hi, we're here at the MVP conference, and we're talking with Dave Edson, who is an MVP for Visio and also an author, and your company?
Visibility.biz. A client, a large energy company out of the South, had been using Visio 2003. In fact, probably had been using it clear back since Visio 5, but they were manually dragging and dropping each and every process down onto the page, manually connecting them together, manually typing the text on it, and anytime these process diagrams would change, and they were everything from top-level process down to every nuance of a call tree, every time it would change, they'd have to start all over again. And it was costing them just tremendous number of hours to build it. And
is this something they would almost have to daily update, or?
Generally, probably at least monthly, if not slightly more often. But that's not much different than using clip art. I mean, it's really a painful process, and Visio is an incredible tool. And what I've always said about Visio is that it's a brilliant tool for being able to visualize your important data and processes.
Okay.
So when we showed them what was possible in 2010 to automatically connect to a SQL backend which stored all of this process information, and through writing and creating a few special shapes and then writing some automation code to lay it out, in one click of a button, it would aggregate that data, build these entire flows, and then if the data changed, they simply needed to change the data in the data source, and with one refresh button, the existing diagram updates and changes.
And this is a feature that was in 2003 they weren't using, or is this new for 2010?
This is new to 2010.
Okay.
The data connectivity actually came about with 2007.
Okay.
But some of the new advances in layout and data connectivity and being able to share, for example, with SharePoint sites and have the data graphics automatically update on the SharePoint site without the need of Visio are huge and new to 2010.
Thanks, David. Thanks.
You bet.
Back to the MVP conference for you, I guess.
Super. Thanks so very much.
You betcha.